Hannah. Over here in the city, girl.
How do you get her to open up? Tell her what it is. What is that in your hand? The bumblebee?
Yeah.
Do it. Try it.
Hannah, here comes a bumblebee. Baby, I play dogs now. Hannah, here comes a dog. Here comes a dog, Hannah. Wait, dog, Hannah. Here comes a dog. Everyone, Hannah, open wide. Danger wants some more. Oh, steady that. Here comes a steady that. Oh.
Let her chew. Too much. Okay.
Here comes my other steady that.
Yums. Tell her it's yummy.
It's yummy, Hannah. Here's some hippo in the water. Here's some hippo in the water. Oh, great job, Hannah. Here's some doggy. Yeah. Great job, Hannah. Here's some hippo. Great job, Hannah.
Too much. Slow down. Let her chew. Too deep. You're going too deep. Let her finish chewing. Don't put that spoon in very deep.
Why?
Because she chokes on it. Okay, try again.
Here's some other hippo.
Good. That's better.
I need to finish my hippo one.
You better finish your hippo brunch. Who did that? Who just fed you breakfast? Who fed you breakfast?